Hello, welcome to today's This Thing's Got Problems, and we're going to try restoring a Harley Davidson inner fairing that's been just sun beat. We're going to start off with this Adams black trim restore, which works kind of okay-ish. And, for this one, it's not nearly as bad as I've ever seen. Just throw it on a rag, give it a wipe. See how she does here. You don't really need to let it sit very long. If you have like an ATV that's just gray and white and it used to be black, let it sit just probably 24 hours. This thing, give it a little wipe down. It's about as good as it's ever going to get. And I don't know, acceptable. It does look a little bit better in person than it does on camera. It's probably fine. If you want it back to black, it's right there, right? You can see it. It's black, right? There you go. It's a little blotchy, but black. I do have a better way. All right. Here's Harley Davidson number 2, and this one's it's a little worse. The buttons are whited out. That's very common. And it's flaking off the fairing, and you have some really dull looking mirrors there. That's where it's flaking away. It's only going to get worse. So you got to put a stop to that. You can smear the stuff on, but you can see where the sun it disintegrates whatever that coating is. So I'm going to take the old 3M Scotch Bright Red and just give it the business. Smooth it out so you don't see the lines anymore, and then kind of feather it out so this stuff right here has something to bite on. Rust-Oleum textured. You can see it says metal, wood, and more. With comfort tip. I'm going with the more as meaning plastic. I don't know why they didn't say plastic, but that's clearly what they meant. Just give her a light dusting. So when that's all said and done, as long as you stay far enough away, the textured paint kind of looks like plastic, right? Which is what it is. It's not one of those glossy painted inner fairings. You want it to kind of look stock and, not sun beat to absolute hell. And this, I think, is probably the easiest way, cheapest way, and probably best long-lasting repair. And then you come back to this black trim restore from Adams. Harley has the version. It probably costs $3,000. This stuff's like a few bucks on the old Amazons. Give the buttons a wipe down. That one on the left, the dude, he painted it. So it's not going to penetrate paint, but if it's still just whited out plastic, it gets in there. Like you can see the buttons on the right kind of went back to black. And the cool thing is it doesn't stick to the writing, so if that still exists on your ride, it wipes right off. And there's the finished product. You kind of take the Adams and go around the gauges if you don't want to tape that off, and no one's ever going to notice that. It's that top part, when like you saw on the first bike we tried, it just doesn't really look right. But this blends in like it's a stock thing. So that's it, very quick today. Thanks for stopping by and checking out This Thing's Got Problems, and we got some more stuff coming for you. Like, subscribe, all that great stuff, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye!